Now that we've established the significance of telemedicine, HMS and EMR, we are one step closer to achieving healthcare for all. We hope that these solutions will shape the future of our healthcare industry. Soon, we will be able to reach more, service more, cure more, and be more with eHealth. Allow me to introduce Noel del Castillo, SeeYouDoc CEO, to share how the SeeYouDoc partnership with PLDT Enterprises was born. I'm gonna call Noel. Hi, Noel. Thank you for joining us.
Hi, Paul. Thank you for having me here.
What made you decide in the creation of this eHealth platform? Specifically, what pain points did the SeeYouDoc aim to address?
So when we started SeeYouDoc, we really want to make healthcare accessible for all, starting with the experience of the patients. So me as a patient, most of the time when I go have a checkup with a doctor, I spend 2 to 3 hours, both travel and waiting time, just to go visit with a doctor for, let's say, around 15 to 30 minutes. And because of that inconvenience, we felt that there has to be a way to solve this through technology. This is where SeeYouDoc was born.
Well, speaking of these technological capabilities and the reason behind it, what is something unique about SeeYouDoc that is very relevant to this changing times? Can you share some cases?
Sure. So the good thing about SeeYouDoc and what makes it unique, um, as a telemedicine platform, it allows hospitals to be part of this growing industry. So let me show you an example. So for example, if a hospital would like to have their own telemedicine platform, they can have an account in SeeYouDoc and create their virtual clinics or within their hospital account, and having their own virtual clinics in SeeYouDoc, they can onboard their doctors so that the patients that goes to their hospitals can book appointments for for online consultations and for clinic visits. So the good thing here is that since we are able to process the payments of the patients on behalf of the doctor and hospitals, we have a comprehensive auto disbursement system that process the payments of the patients for the doc and disperse it to the doctor, to the clinic, and to the hospital. That's what makes us very unique now in this industry.
Yes, and indeed, it seems that there are very few, if not you're the only one, who can really enable that type of strength towards the hospitals and doctors. Now, how has having a partner like PLDT Enterprise help you in critical times such as this?
Oh, PLDT really helped us reach our goals. So for SeeYouDoc, our vision is to make healthcare accessible for everyone in the Philippines. And with the help of PLDT, we are able to reach from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So the good thing here is that, you know, hospitals, clinics, and doctors, even though they have their own system in place, sometimes there's need to be addressed in terms of internet connectivity, in terms of devices, and all of these things. We need a partner who can provide this that is integrated with our system, and at the same time what's the same goal of improving the healthcare industry. And this is where PLDT comes in, and we're very fortunate that we're one of the partners of PLDT to be able to improve this the healthcare industry in the Philippines.
Well, likewise, we are very also fortunate to have found a very amazing technological partner such as SeeYouDoc. Again, thank you, Noel, for joining us, and we look forward to seeing more innovations in our partnership in the future. Thank you, Noel. Thank you.
Thank you, Paul.
I think my friend from Smart, Yula, is joining us today. I want to share with her the good news about SeeYouDoc, and let's see what she has for us. Hey, Yula, how are you?
Hi, Paul. What's the latest?
We're good. We're good. Well, as you know, we've been adapting to everything that's been happening lately. And one of that is providing a very credible means of access to healthcare services. This allows us to reduce the risk of getting infection between doctors and patients.
This is very timely, Paul. How will it work?
Well, you see, we've been working with amazing partners, and one of them is SeeYouDoc, a very promising startup company, healthcare software company. So it has a very promising solution, telemedicine solution that allows proper communication and collaboration between doctors and patients. Everything that the doctors doing are being done only through their mobile phone, and it has been very helpful.
Mm, I see. That's great news. Well, with smart machine-to-machine SIMs or the Smart Bro plans, actually, doctors, nurses, and hospital or clinic owners who need connectivity will be able to connect with their patients. So, how will it work? If you have the eHealth app, they can access it with their M2M mobile plans or their Smart Bro tablet plans. And, they can choose whichever device they want to use it with.
Right, indeed, that's very timely and very needed. Of course, with the help of smart online consultation would be very easy. E-prescriptions are done easily, and of course, reservations are more organized.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, the doctors and the nurses, especially the patients, they don't have to go to the hospital or clinics or to be outside and exposed so that they could provide and receive care. So we can surely support you with this, Paul. With Smart, they will be connected anytime, anywhere. And if you know of any doctors or nurses who need connectivity, just give us a call.
All right, and that sounds promising and amazing. Looking
Mhm.
forward to it, Yula, and of
Same,
course with
Paul.
smart. Thank you
Thank you
again,
so
Yula. Thank you.
much. Thank
Stay
you.
safe.
Take care. Bye.
And there you have it, everyone. Once again, thank you for joining us today, and I hope we all pick up valuable lessons about eHealth and their importance in our current situation. The future of eHealth in our country is positive, the good one, I mean. Please expect more innovations to help everyone in need of healthcare, especially during these changing times. Until then, we will continue to face challenges head on and keep on being bold, brave, and badass. Remember, you are unbreakable.